Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors, LED headlights, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.